Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by preparing your image for the web so it loads fast and looks good. Optimize and compress to an appropriate width, then put the file into your Twine project or Assets folder. Once done, add the image into a passage using the format your story uses. For example, an HTML img src equals path/to/file or your format's image macro. This first step ensures the file is reachable and displays correctly when the passage runs, which prevents broken links later. Now you'll place and style the image inside the passage so it behaves predictably. Insert the image tag or macro, add width and alt attributes, and apply responsive CSS like max width, 100% so it scales on different screens. Once done, connect styling either inline for quick tweaks or in your story style sheet for consistent layout. Make sure to test variable-driven images or conditional displays by using the story format's macros. That way images change dynamically and remain. Finish by previewing your story in a browser and walking through every passage that shows an image. Make sure paths resolve and the developer console shows no 404 errors. Then export or publish and recheck the packaged HTML. If an image fails to load, verify the relative path, remove spaces or case mismatches in file names, and clear the browser cache. One key tip: always test on a second device or browser to catch issues caused by local caching or path assumptions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.